Meaning of Hampden Park.
Hampden Park.
Hampden Park.
Hampden Park.
Hampden Park. Hampden Park is a stadium located in Glasgow, Scotland. Its name is derived from the Hampden district in which it is situated. The stadium has a rich history and is known as the home of Scottish football. It has hosted numerous international matches as well as major tournaments such as the Commonwealth Games and the UEFA Champions League final. Hampden Park is also used for concerts and other events, making it a versatile venue. Overall, Hampden Park is an iconic symbol of Scottish sport and culture with a reputation that extends far beyond its local area.